Namaskara. My name is Guru and welcome to Belesiri channel. So today we're going to talk to a star performer of July 2022, Shridhar Hegde sir. He's my student and at age of 60 plus, he's doing so many experiments with towers, right? Soilless, and he's using different mediums, and he's not just sticking to something that everybody's doing, right? He's doing lots of different things, and let's talk to him and find out what exactly he has got some results. And I'm not saying he has done a big scale or something. He's just taking baby steps, and that's good enough to get started to a bigger dream, right? So let's see. Okay, so sir, I wanted to understand from you a few things. I know you are beyond my award that I gave. It is just a recognition, so that I want others also to get inspired by this. Otherwise, award is nothing for you. I want to understand why you wanted to do hydroponics. First, briefly introduce yourself.
Yeah. Good evening, everybody. I'm Shridhar Hegde. I'm from CC. Actually, I worked in a chemical industry for about 23 years, which is in Karwar. Unfortunately, one of the unit got closed. Therefore, I had to take retirement early. Then I thought of doing something on my own without any investment. So that was a tuition. I started with a small group, 4 or 5 students. Then slowly it picked up. So every year I was handling around 200 students.
Wow.
Then one more, my colleague, he also joined me. And we were taking the tuitions for 8th, 9th and 10th. I used to teach maths and he is teaching science.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. In between, because of the COVID, so all the classes have been stopped. Then there was nothing to do. ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇರ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು, ತರಕಾರಿಯಿಂದ ಹಿಡಿದು ಹಾಲು ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್. Then I think there was a craze for everybody to do something. So then I thought of doing some gardening. Actually, gardening la ನನಗೆ ಏನು ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. Hardly 1 or 2 plants were there. ಆಮೇಲೆ somehow I came across terrace gardening. Unfortunately, I don't have access to terrace in my house.
Okay.
So ground floor nalli car parking ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ something I wanted to do. But of course, a lot of soil is available around my house, etc. But doing that, it's not a new thing. Just when I surfed the net, I came across soilless gardening.
Okay.
Slowly interest develop ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಯ್ತು. Then I thought of learning it. When I searched it, ಅವಾಗ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟು ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. But because of the COVID, I could not go out anywhere. Then I searched whether it is available in Belgaum or Hubli or Dharwad, even in Goa. But I could not find anything. Then while surfing it, I came to know about Belesiri.
Okay.
Online one day basic training program was there. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಇನ್ 2020. ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮೊದಲು ಸಣ್ಣ ಪ್ರಮಾಣದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಸಣ್ಣ ಪಾಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ತಗೊಂಡು ವಿತ್ ಥರ್ಮೋಕೋಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವಿತ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ನೆಟ್ ಪಾಟ್ಸ್ ಎಟ್ಸೆಟ್ರಾ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ. ಬಟ್ somehow I was not successful.
So what all things you tried, sir, initially?
I tried with coleus. ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬಂತದು ಪಾಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ. I mean only pot ನಲ್ಲಿ water ತಗೊಂಡು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ some nutrient, I don't know what exactly that nutrient is. It is a general purpose liquid fertilizer.
So you're doing some kind of trial and error kind of thing initially.
Yeah, trial and error, absolutely trial and error.
When you said it was a small small garage or something, right? Small place, and you did not have a terrace. You said it was a bit complicated to go on top of terrace. But there was no excuse, you did not, you wanted to do it at any cost. Right?
Definitely.
Important thing that I want to highlight, because we keep hearing, right? I don't have terrace, I don't have space, I don't have this kind of. So you crossed all that, and then you tried a very small scale, something on your own before joining the training, right?
Yes.
Okay.
In between, since there was scarcity of place which receives sunlight, I purchased one aero tower.
Okay.
In which we can grow around 32 plants.
Right.
That is Radon Grow. I don't remember the name, but it was occupying comparatively more space. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಿಸಿಲು ಬರೋ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಗಾಳಿಗೆ ಬಿದ್ದೋಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. It was a little bit light. Then I thought of doing in a small scale by using the pipe.
Okay.
So I came across vertical garden. Vertical garden, pipe garden. So trial and error again. ಅದನ್ನ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಎ ಬಾಟಲ್ ಅದನ್ನ ಇಂಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ನೆಟ್ ಪಾಟ್ ಕೂಡ್ಬೇಕೆಲ್ಲ in between. Then I came across Belesiri. I have understood what exactly TDS, pH, etc. ಮತ್ತೆ bugs ಅನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ತೆಗೆದು ಹಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು with understanding. Then I applied that knowledge in doing this. Again, parallelly, I used to do vertical garden as well as ದೊಡ್ಡ ಪಾಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡು without air also. So just thermocol, you can say floating raft system.
Right.
ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಹೆಸರೆಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ. But I went through some of the videos, etc. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು.
Okay.
Then I started growing probably chili, then tomato, and another is palak.
Okay.
That too, very small scale, hardly 4 or 5 plants.
In the tower system itself?
No, not tower, only in a pot.
Pot, okay. Pot with coco peat, right?
Not coco peat. Coco peat available irrilla nange.
Okay.
Somehow I got one bottle of nutrient, adanne use ಮಾಡಿ blender ಮಾಡಿದೆ.
Okay.
Later on when I got coco peat, but I did not have sufficient space for keeping grow bags, etc.
Right.
So that is why I thought of using something else. That is how hardware shopping ಹೋಗೋದು, pipes ಅನ್ನು ತರೋದು, ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಮತ್ತೆ that vertical planter ಮಾಡೋದು. So that became a hobby for me. In the ground floor, I used to take tuition. There's a hall. Since the students were not coming, I converted that into my workshop.
Awesome.
Pipes ಅನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ತಂದು ಇಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ. Then I learned.
So attracted. Sorry to cut you short. Okay, why you were so attracted by that tower system? Is there any?
Yeah, there's a again. I had to do within a available space. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಪಾಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಇಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ.
Right.
So whereas space in the vertical space was little bit available. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಿಸಿಲು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. Every day morning I used to take it outside the gate and keep it on the side of the road. Every day ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕುತ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ ನಾನು. ಆಮೇಲೆ 1.5 hours ನಂತರ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ. ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಹೆವಿ. ನನಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಾಯಿಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ ಟಾವರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ. Then I could not lift it also.
Okay.
Somehow I used to manage. ಆಮೇಲೆ I thought of using coco peat. Coco peat, somehow I got it from TSSC.
Okay.
But I found that it works out to be costlier. Of course, I have not compared anything. ಮಣ್ಣು ಪುಕ್ಕಡೆ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು, ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ probably that will be the reason.
Yeah.
Then at the same time, I thought of using something else. Adu areca husk.
Right. As a
Adike
medium,
sippe.
as a medium, right?
Yeah. So it was very light.
Correct.
So adanella I loaded it into the pipe, mixed with cocoa peat.
Wow.
But there is a problem with that. If it is not aged, ಗಿಡಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಾಯ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಮತ್ತೆ ಫಂಗಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು.
Okay.
Then I found that if you keep it for 1 year or so for aging, then it can be used easily.
Good discovery.
Then in between, I thought of using rice husk. Rice husk is giving a good
results. Okay.
Yeah. So it is first of all it is light. ಮತ್ತೆ ಕೋಕೋ ಪೀಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ವಾಟರ್ ರಿಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಈಸಿಲಿ ಡ್ರೈನ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ.
Right.
But I have not seen what happens in summer.
Okay.
That I have to see in the coming summer.
Maybe you can mix cocoa peat and
that I'm doing. Cocoa peat 25%, soil on 25%, another 50% I have mixed rice husk.
Okay.
So it is giving good result.
Okay, you're still using soil as well along with
yeah, cocoa peat plus rice husk.
Yeah, why don't you use cocoa peat rice husk only? Have you not tried?
Madidini.
Okay.
So that gives good, but you have to continuously feed it.
Exactly. So we have to give the nutrients to it.
Yeah. So then I'm thinking doing something else also, using rice husk ash.
Okay.
Probably it contains a lot of nutrients and it gives nutrients to the plants also. Adu unfortunately I could not prepare that rice husk ash right now. So ಮಳೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆದ ನಂತರ I want to try it.
Super. we will be eager to hear the results.
Probably I have to mix it. ಬರೀ ash ಇಂದ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ. Some percentage I have to mix it.
So first you started with soil and then you tried that was amazing. You used to keep that tower every day outside.
Yeah.
It was very heavy. That's really bhagiratha prayatna antaralla hange. So then you used cocoa peat and then you tried areca nut husk, but you felt that if it is older it'll work well.
Yeah, definitely.
Then just using fresh, because it will definitely attract fungus. Because even I have a full bag I have brought from Sirsi, but still I have not used it. I thought of that is actually 1 year old, maybe I can use it now.
Okay.
I wanted to use it in Dutch bucket anyway. And good that you already tried it, and I hope to get some results.
You keep it outside. Let it get drenched with rain. ಅದು ಏನಾದ್ರು ಡಿಕೆ ಆಗೋದು ಆಗಲಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗುತ್ತೆ
ಹಂಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಫೈನ್ ಸರ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ then you tried rice husk and that you said giving good results.
Yeah.
But you are not sure whether it will work really well in summer. Okay, then you may mix it with cocoa peat.
Because moisture holding capacity is comparatively less than cocoa peat.
Great learnings. So I wanted to ask you one more question. Next, what all things you have grown, sir? Strawberry you're trying now, because
yes, strawberry, yeah.
And
actually,
palak.
Yeah, palak.
And what else?
Tomato madidini, but it has not given a good result.
But tomatoes in the tower?
Tower dulu madidini, even pot nalli just nutrient solution tagondu madidini.
Pot alli barbeku, because tomato is little easy, but anyway you can try.
Maybe because of the heat.
Yeah, absolutely. Karwar, right?
So, yeah.
So it's Karwar, right?
Yeah. Again, that I'm finding it interesting in growing strawberry. Yeah. So fortunately now comparatively temperature is less.
Yeah. Now
I don't know what will happen after December, etc.
Absolutely.
Probably this is a learning curve for me. When I go back to Sirsi, definitely I'll be.
Absolutely. You can take one farm. You have that farm, right?
Yeah, I have.
You can grow it in the areca nut farm.
Yeah, that is not.
That's great. So, do you think? No, I'll allow others also to ask question. But what do you think? I mean, this is the best way to keep someone engaged in the second innings, right? The farming, especially.
Yeah, definitely.
Hydroponics.
So I will have class in the morning and evening.
Okay.
But immediately in the morning, once I finish the class, definitely I will be completely immersed in this
Right.
hydroponic gardening only.
Awesome.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನಾಗತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ in Karwar, me and my wife only two are there.
Okay.
She's working. She's a lecturer in Ankola. It's around 30 kilometers away from here.
Right.
She leaves at 8 a.m. and by the time she comes back, it will be around 7 p.m. So I will be alone.
Okay.
So definitely this hydroponic. So it helps me a lot.
Right.
Time hack pass aithandu gottagilla.
Absolutely. Please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends and like it. And if you want to join Belesiri Balaga, let us know, and you can just send me an email. Here is the email ID, or you can call me at this number, and we are ready to help you. Okay. And thank you so much for watching this video.